He missed the last train home. Or did he? Because when he checked his phone, the train was still coming at midnight. But here's the problem. There is no midnight train on that line. What he discovered next will shock you. Tom worked late every Friday. He always caught the 10 p.m. train home. But one night, he arrived at the station at 10:05. The train was gone. The platform was silent. Too silent. Tom checked the electronic schedule board. Then he saw something impossible. One more train, 12 a.m. Tom knew this wasn't right. He had used this station for 5 years. There was never a midnight train. But he was tired and just wanted to go home. So he waited. At exactly midnight, a train pulled in. It looked old, very old, like it came from 50 years ago. The doors opened slowly. Tom stepped inside. It was empty. No passengers. No driver. The seats were old and dusty. As the train started moving, Tom looked out the window. Everything outside was pitch black. No buildings. No houses. No lights. Just darkness. Tom's heart beat faster. Something was wrong. Suddenly, the train stopped. The doors opened again. He saw his station. Tom jumped out. The moment he touched the ground, the train vanished, completely gone. He looked at his phone. It was still 12:01 a.m. The next day, Tom asked the station staff about the midnight train. They said, "No train runs at midnight. It never has." Since that night, Tom takes a taxi every Friday. He never waits at that station after 10 p.m. That was spooky. Let's review 4 important words from the story. Disappointed. Feeling sad because something didn't happen as expected. Example, I was disappointed when the concert was canceled. Dusty. Covered with fine powder or dirt. Example, the old books in the attic were very dusty. Recognized. To know something because you've seen it before. Example, I recognized her voice on the phone immediately. Disappeared. To stop being visible. To vanish. Example, the sun disappeared behind the clouds. Try using the word disappointed in your own sentence today. Ready for a quick challenge? Answer before the bell. Question 1. What time did the mysterious train arrive? A. 10 p.m. B. 11 p.m. C. 12 a.m. Answer C. 12 a.m. Question 2. How did the inside of the train look? Answer. It was empty, and the seats were old and dusty. Question 3. Why does Tom take a taxi on Fridays now? Answer. Because he is too scared to wait for the late train after his strange experience. Tell me your score in the comments. That's it for today's mysterious story. If you enjoyed this lesson and want more English stories like this, hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon. And here's today's question. What do you think happened on that midnight train? Share your theories in the comments. I love reading them. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious.